Burnt-out bulb. Think of the projector bulb as the high-performance engine of a presentation system. Unlike the LED backlights in modern flat-screen monitors that can last for decades, traditional projectors use high-pressure, metal halide lamps. These bulbs run incredibly hot, consume a massive amount of power, and have a very strict, limited lifespan. For the CompTIA A+ exam, you must understand how to identify when a bulb is dying, what happens when it catastrophically fails, and the strict physical safety rules you must follow when replacing it. Part 1. The symptoms of a dying bulb. A projector bulb rarely dies without giving you warning signs. It degrades chemically and physically over time. The gradual dim. The most common symptom of an aging bulb is a loss of brightness. If users are constantly complaining that they have to turn off all the lights in the conference room just to read the slides, the bulb is likely nearing the end of its life. Color shifting. As the chemicals inside the bulb degrade, the white light it produces might start to look yellow, pink, or muddy. The replace lamp warning. Projectors have an internal stopwatch called a lamp timer. When the bulb reaches its rated lifespan, usually between 2,000 and 4,000 hours, the projector will display a persistent warning message on the screen or illuminate a specific red or amber LED on the physical chassis. Part 2. The catastrophic failure, the pop. If a warning is ignored, the bulb will eventually burn out completely. Because these are high-pressure lamps, a burnout is often dramatic. The sound and the dark. A burnt-out bulb is frequently accompanied by a loud pop or shatter. The image will instantly vanish. The fan spin up. This is a crucial diagnostic symptom. If the projector has power, the indicator lights are on, there is absolutely no light coming from the lens, and the internal cooling fans are roaring at maximum speed, the bulb has blown. The projector is desperately trying to cool down the internal chamber because it registered a thermal or electrical anomaly. Glass debris. If the bulb shattered, you may hear glass rattling inside the plastic housing if you gently tilt the projector. Part 3. The strict replacement protocol. Replacing a projector bulb is not like changing a light bulb in a desk lamp. It is a hazardous materials procedure. If you see a question about projector bulb replacement on your exam, look for these specific safety steps. 1. The cool-down period. These bulbs operate at hundreds of degrees. If a bulb just burned out or the projector was recently turned off, do not open the chassis. You must unplug the projector and let it sit for at least 30 to 60 minutes. Opening it too early will result in severe burns. 2. The no-touch rule, skin oils. When installing the new bulb, you must hold it by the plastic housing. Never touch the actual glass of the new bulb with your bare fingers. The science. The human hand naturally produces oils. If you leave a microscopic fingerprint on the glass, that oil will heat up faster than the rest of the glass when the projector is turned on. This uneven heating causes a weak point, and the brand new, expensive bulb will shatter within a few days of use. Always use lint-free gloves if you must handle the bulb directly. 3. Hazardous disposal. Projector bulbs contain highly toxic vaporized mercury. You cannot throw a burnt-out or shattered bulb into the regular office trash. It must be sealed in a bag and processed through a certified hazardous e-waste recycling program. Part 4. The software step, resetting the timer. Your job as a technician is not done just because the new bulb is producing light. You must navigate into the projector's on-screen display, OSD menu, find the maintenance section, and manually reset the lamp timer back to 0 hours. If you fail to do this, the projector will still think the old bulb is installed, and it will continue to flash the replace lamp warning or refuse to power on entirely. Summary for the professional technician. To lock this in for your exam troubleshooting steps. Symptoms, dimming images, color shifts, and specific hardware LED warnings mean the bulb is dying. Burnout, a loud pop, no light, and max speed fans indicate a blown bulb. Handling, let the unit cool completely. And never touch the glass with bare hands to prevent premature failure from skin oils. Disposal. Bulbs contain mercury and require special hazardous waste handling. Final step. Always reset the internal lamp timer in the OSD after replacement.